Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the SMALLRIG Folding Tool with Screwdrivers and 3 things you need to know about this. Well, now we're going to do an unboxing of the SMALLRIG Foldable Multi-Tool Kit. And this one surprised me, and if you're like me, you've got I've just upgraded to a new studio, so I've got wrenches all over the place. Now, finding the right wrench may be another problem. Finding the right screwdriver. There's Torx bits in here. There's, you name it, this has got it. So this is something that is well worth looking at. Found about this on Prime Day, and I tell you what, this is well worth taking a look at. And let's turn it upside down. Well, upside down to me, but right side up to you. And it comes with a nice little pack, so that's, a nice covering rather, so that's a good thing. And this is what you see. Now we're gonna open this up to where you can see the different tools, and it is as compact as you could hope for. You're gonna think, what in the devil do I need this much of a straight driver for? You need that. So I'll get these other ones out of the way here. A little bit more of an unboxing, but so it just fits right in there, just a little bit oversized, but you know what? I'll take a little bit oversized to not having what I need to do the job. So we'll hold this in place. All right, come on, there we go. And make sure that we're past the pin there. All right. And then we will just, do it down here so you can see it. But this gives you a little bit better than an average screwdriver. Okay. So that is, that's not moving. Well, with a lot of force you probably could, but that's something that, even though I've already got this mounting system on one of my fluid mount tripods, this makes getting the camera on and off so much easier. And so having it nice and tight is going to be well worth it. So you can see very easily why this is something that's well worth have. And these holes on the side, well, that's for the extra screws that you may need, because over time, sometimes you'll be out in the field, or even if you're shooting stuff around the house, you're going to find that you have a screw loose, or so your wife will say. So this way you have a couple extras always at hand, and I've ordered some because I, amazingly enough, don't have any extras on hand, and this way if something happens, you've got an immediate one there. I don't use the smaller ones, but it's mainly the 2/4 20s. That should more than take care of any situation that I might have. So now on to the 3 reasons why you need to get this item. Thing number 1, this toolkit is specifically addressing the needs of what a photographer or videographer is going to run into. Let's look at what it's got on it. And you've even got some other things that you wouldn't find on just a regular multi-tool. Thing number 2, and right in front of you is it's got onboard storage for extra screws, whether it's 1/4 20s, 3/8, you've got it's a M1, M3, and M5. You've got at least a shot of having something to get you by until you get back to the office or get back to home. Thing number 3, this is all metal construction. It's made with aluminum and metal, so you don't have to worry about something banging up against it in your kit bag or your gear bag and doing damage to it. This will hold its own. Plus, it even has a nice little bag, so you don't have to worry about this scratching up against something either. So this has been well thought out, and this is a tool that you will be very pleased with having in your collection.